Hi there, and welcome to this video on how to place Divi buttons next to each other. This is something that I've always frustrated me very much with regards to using Divi, is just the simple act of putting two buttons next to each other. Now, thankfully, this can be quite an easy thing to overcome if you just follow the steps that I show in this video. So I have a demo site set up here, and let's say we want to take this button over here and we want to make it side by side. So let's duplicate that, and you can see is like now we have two, but this is not how we really want our site to look, right? Because it'll look so much nicer if you can have this button on the side here. So thankfully this is not too difficult to do, but it will require some code to be entered. Now if you have not already before, you can head over to the website and you can find the article placing Divi buttons next to each other. Scroll down and you'll see that there is actually a code snippet over here that we're going to make use of in this particular setup. So the first thing I want to draw your attention to would be the class over here, the DD-BTN side by side. So if you copy that and we head back to our demo site, now what we want to do is we want to jump into the column. We don't want to jump into the button, we don't want to jump into those, but we want to go into the column. So if you click on the row and then you'll see the column come up over here. We want to jump in there and we want to go to the advanced, the CSS. You can see I've already put this in over here. Okay, so you put it in as a CSS class. Now be careful not to have the dot before it. I know in the code that we have the dot, but when you enter it in here, Divi will automatically put that dot in. So be sure to take it out on the first time here. So once you've placed that into the CSS class there, just hit Save Changes and Save Changes again. All right, so it's looking much better already. No, it's not. We haven't really done anything yet. So what we want to do is we want to jump back to the code, and in this time we want to take the entire code snippet and we want to jump back and go into the page settings. This you can also put into your theme options, but just for demo sake here, I'm just putting it into the page settings. You can jump into the advanced custom set CSS and we paste that in, and wow, you see straight away, there it is. It's jumped out. All right. If you want to give a bit more margin between the two, you can also go to design, spacing, and then we just increase the margin. So that gives you your spacing. All right. So that is how we place two Divi buttons next to each other. Hopefully this is useful. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want me to do a tutorial about. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.